everybody. Y'all ain't gonna believe this one. This is the earliest I've mowed the lawn. Let me show you what I got going on. Look at this. That's green. That smells like summertime. Yardmastery.com. All right, so I cut down my grasses here. Got the stuff off the daylilies. Cut back that sage. Got the shed somewhat organized. This is not going to stay here, but I got the spreader ready to go. Ego over there. Super Recycler Matte Black's over there. I put the snowblower away, so we're just getting ready for the season. I took my leaf blower and I blew all the leaves and crap out of here by the air conditioner. Blew it all away from the house. I'm mowing a couple 2-tree notches lower than I normally mow. You don't want to go too low and shock your grass, but you want to cut off the desiccated tips, the burned up tips, and promote growth, stimulate some growth. Cut its head off, baby. So there's where we haven't mowed, there's where we have mowed. It's really a beautiful thing. So I normally mow in the summertime back here because my kid plays back here. I usually mow on like setting F or E. The front I mow on setting G. I am currently on setting D on my Super Recycler. So it's taking off enough to open it up to the sun and to the air. There's a nice windy day today. So if I don't see you anymore as I'm mowing, I'm going to cut down my 2 circles in front where the trees used to be. There's some daylilies in there. I'm going to take my blower, blow all the beds out again, and mow the front, bag all the clippings, get all the crap out of there, and keep sweating. So we'll see you before I'm done. I'm just really enjoying this mow today. All right, science break. This is why late season fertilization is so important. So this is an area I burned last year because I spilled some fert. But as I'm digging this up to prepare it for seed, look at that. Those blue balls are fertilizer from my last application of Flagship that was used as a winterizer. So it does just lay there until it's go time. Polymer coated slow release nitrogen over biter. Look at that. Science, baby. Also, I think I found the voles home. You'll remember from last year I was fighting voles. Well, when I blew this out, I got a hell of a vole highway going on here, which if you come across voles, just know fertilizing will push the turf up and it'll grow in. But that's their hole. I found their hole. So I'm going to figure out my plan of attack and take the enemy out. So we're actually taking off a butt ton of grass. Just look at it. It needed to be cut. So, what am I doing? I am relaxing in the grass. I just want to show there's not a cloud in the sky right now in Northwest Indiana. The grass is unbelievable. I owe all of this to yardmastery.com. Got the Mustang out of the garage. We're in summertime garage mode. Old Gloria is back billowing in the breeze, even though she should never come down. I take her down for the winter because the winds here are just brutal. But look at this. Would you just look at it? I mean, it's unbelievable.